Check mine, billions of dollars. That's why when the cops get you, they want to fine you, they want and take you to court, they want your all caps name, especially your surname, not your Christian name. That's yours. Remember, Jesus said, in my name you shall be saved only. In other words, not the surname. You didn't copyright it. The Vatican did. It's crown, chronos, copyrighted. As Virgil said, only Saturn has the crown. In the world, in our cosmos, there are 7 planets which make all these frequencies happen to coagulate and coalesce. There is a website where you can check your stocks. If you put your birth certificate number in, I've checked mine, billions of dollars. That's why when the cops get you, they want to fine you, they want and take you to court, they want your all caps name, especially your surname, not your Christian name. That's yours. Remember, Jesus said, in my name you shall be saved only. In other words, not the surname. You didn't copyright it. The Vatican did. It's crown, chronos, copyrighted. As Virgil said, only Saturn has the crown. In the world, in our cosmos, there are 7 planets which make all these frequencies happen to coagulate and coalesce and make tables, what's solid, liquid, gas and plasma. Moon, Mercury, Venus, Sun, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn, those 7 which are aligned with your 7 chakras, and that's how you have a body, a subtle body, because you have 7 chakras. They are discs. Chakra means disc in Sanskrit, of energy, of light. So you have 7 in you. The color of the rainbow is in you. The bottom one's red, the top one's blue. Red shift, blue shift. Blue. Red pill, blue pill. Roses, red, violets are blue. Red siren, blue siren. Red tap, blue tap. Because those colors, so your torso is a torus field. You have an aura going around you. It goes in your fontanelle and out your perineum at the red shift. So your torso knows about red shift, blue shift. The red chakra has 4 petals in Hindu. They say 4 petals. The orange one above has 6. The yellow one has 10. The green heart chakra has 12. This one has 16. The third eye has 96. Top one, indigo, a violet, has 1,000. When you add all the 6 bottom ones, you come to 144. Thank you, Bible, Revelation 14. When you multiply with the 1,000-petaled lotus on the top, the crown, chronos chakra, then you get 144,000, the magical number. It's in you. It's in your chakras. Why has the bottom one got 4 petals, and which is red, and why has the blue chakra got 16 petals? Because they're telling you it has a higher frequency. And if you get a blue laser as opposed to a red laser, which one is going to burn you more? Which one's more powerful, red or blue? Blue. In Revelation 14 it says, and the holy ones, the 144,000, stand upon Mount Zion with the Lamb of God, and they sing a new song. That's the same thing. They're telling you how you can raise your consciousness from survival, sexuality and power to heart living, speaking the truth, and the head, heaven, all is atum. So when you climb through those chakras, when you raise your energy level, the capacitance of each chakra is more, like your lasers, is higher. So your spirituality is higher, right? And so what happens is the mountain that the 144,000 are standing on, that's your vertebrae. It's called Mount Meru. And it's in the middle of the disc flat earth. Mount Meru, it's called Merudanda. Your spinal column is called Merudanda. It's a mountain. And on top of the mountain is the Lamb of God, Aries, my sign. Aries is the cerebrum, the cerebram, the Ram of God. So the Lamb of God is standing upon Mount Zion, your vertebrae, with the 144,000 singing a new song. Why is it a new song? Because your consciousness is different there. Your full magic, magnetic power. We're just waiting for that to happen. But we have to do the good works. Moderation, no addictions. If you go to Wikipedia, which I'm in now, and you look up under Saturn, in the first sentence it will tell you that Saturn is a gas giant. And then you go to Jupiter and it tells you that Jupiter is a gas giant. Yeah. Then you ask what the sun is, they say it's hydrogen and helium. Well, that's gas. Why is Venus or Mars or the moon, where they landed, why is it an exception? You can see with your own eyes that it's a light. Ptolemy, for thousands of years before the Jesuit Copernicus turned up and made a spinning ball, was saying all of the 7 planets are entirely luminous. They are portals. They are holes in the sky. The